Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. See how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's so that if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.